Welcome to Speak English with Tiffani. I am teacher Tiffani, and today I am going to teach you how to speak fluently in English about sports. Are you ready? Well then, let's jump right in. There are 4 ways that you can speak about sports in English. The first way is to talk about your favorite sport. The second way is to talk about your favorite team. The third way is to talk about your favorite athlete. And the fourth way is to talk about your favorite event. Now, let's break each of them down into a simple formula. Number 1. Tell me about your favorite sport. In order to talk about your favorite sport fluently in English, you need to use the following 4-step formula. Step 1. Name. Give the name of the sport that you like. For example, basketball, soccer, or baseball. Step 2. Reasons. Give 3 reasons why this is your favorite sport. You can be specific with your answer. Step 3. Since when. Give information about when you started liking this specific sport. And Step 4. Amazing event. Give an example of an amazing event that happened related to this sport. Now you can talk about your favorite sport like this. My favorite sport is basketball. I like it because it is a team sport. It is exciting to play and watch, and it also requires a lot of skill. Basketball has been my favorite sport ever since my father bought me my first basketball when I was 10 years old. One of my most memorable basketball games happened when I was in high school. I won the game for my team by shooting a 3-pointer at the last second. It was great. Number 2. Tell me about your favorite team. In order to talk about your favorite sports team fluently in English, you need to use the following 4-step formula. Step 1. Name and country. Give the name of the sports team and also the country the team plays for. Step 2. Reasons. Give 3 reasons why this is your favorite team. You can be specific with your answer. Step 3. Best players. Give the names of the best players and something special about them. And Step 4. Record and ability. Give some details about the record of the team and their special abilities or qualities. Now you can talk about your favorite team like this. My favorite soccer team is Manchester United. It is a professional soccer team that is based in England. I like them because their athletes play hard and smart. Their coach is also really good. In the past, 2 of their best players were Rooney and Cristiano Ronaldo. Last year, they won about 18 games. Number 3. Tell me about your favorite athlete. In order to talk about your favorite athlete fluently in English, you need to use the following 4-step formula. Step 1. Name. Give the name of your favorite athlete. Step 2. Team. Give the name of the team your favorite athlete plays for. Step 3. Position. Give information about the specific position the athlete plays on the field or court. And Step 4. Reasons. Give 3 reasons for why you like the athlete. Now you can talk about your favorite athlete like this. My favorite athlete is Stephen Curry. He is a professional basketball player for the Golden State Warriors of the NBA. He is the point guard for their team. I like him because he is a passionate player and many people consider him to be the best basketball player in the world. Number 4. Tell me about your favorite game or event. In order to talk about your favorite game or event fluently in English, you need to use the following 4-step formula. Step 1. Date and location. Give the date and the location where the event or game took place. Step 2. Teams. Give the name of the 2 teams who participated in the event. Step 3. Score. Give information about the score at the end of the event. And Step 4. Situation. Give some details about what happened during the event. Now you can talk about your favorite game or event like this. My favorite sporting event happened on August 15, 2014 in Pennsylvania at the Little League World Series. The 2 teams that played in the game were the Tiffani Dragons and Nashville. The Tiffani Dragons beat Nashville in a 4-0 victory. The amazing thing was that the pitcher was the first female to pitch 6 innings, strike out 8 batters, and to pitch a shutout in Little League postseason history. It was amazing. Now, keep improving your English by getting your copy of the first ebook in my How-To series, How to Make Long Sentences in English. This ebook will teach you the tips and tricks to making natural English sentences, and you will gain more confidence in your speaking ability. Are you ready to speak English more fluently? Well then, jump right in and order yours now.